Hello, my name is Jane. Today I want to tell you a story. It is the story of my day without a phone. Yes, one full day without my phone. No calls, no messages, no social media, just me and real life. I wake up in the morning. My hand goes to the side table, but my phone is not there. I remember. Oh, today is my day without a phone. I feel a little strange. Usually I check my phone first, but today I cannot. I open my window. The sun is soft and warm. I listen to the birds. The morning feels quiet and peaceful. I make a simple breakfast: bread, eggs, and a cup of tea. Without my phone, I eat slowly. I taste the food. It feels nice. I smile and say, maybe this day will be good. After breakfast, I clean my room. Usually I listen to music on my phone, but today there is no music. Only the sound of my broom and the sound of my thoughts. I clean the table. I fold my clothes. I wash the dishes. Everything feels simple. Everything feels calm. I look at the clock. Only 1 hour has passed. I laugh and say, wow, time is moving slowly today. I decide to go outside. The weather is cool. The sky is bright. When I walk, I usually take pictures. I usually check messages. But today, I only walk. I look at the trees. I watch the people. A small girl rides her bicycle. An old man feeds birds in the park. 2 friends are laughing under a tree. I notice small things that I never saw before. A little cat comes near me. I pet the cat. It meows softly. Without my phone, I feel more connected to everything around me. I go to a small cafe near the park. The waiter says, hello, what would you like? I say, just a cup of coffee, please. While I wait, I look at the people around me. A woman is reading a book. A man is writing in a notebook. Everyone is busy, but also peaceful. My coffee comes. I drink it slowly. It feels warm and nice. I think about my phone again. I wonder if someone messaged me. But then I smile and say, it is okay. They can wait. Today is my day. I reach home. I decide to do something creative. I take out my notebook. I start to draw simple things: a flower, a cat, a cup of tea. Then I write a short poem. The world is quiet. The heart is free. No phone today, just simple me. I feel relaxed. No beeping, no ringing, no notifications. Just peace. In the evening, I cook dinner: vegetable soup and warm bread. I put on soft lights. The room looks cozy. I sit and eat. I think about my day. It was slow but beautiful. I did not waste time scrolling. I did not compare my life with others. I did not rush. I just lived. At night, I finally take my phone in my hand. But I do not feel excited. I feel calm. I learned something today. Life is more beautiful when we are present. Sometimes we need a break from the screen to feel the real world. I smile and whisper, thank you, day without a phone. You made me happy. I wake up the next morning. The sun is soft and warm. I stretch my arms and smile. Yesterday was a peaceful day without my phone. Today I want to try something new again. I stand near the window and look outside. Birds are sitting on the tree. The sky is light blue. The world looks fresh and calm. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. The steam rises slowly. I hold the warm cup in my hands. I feel quiet and safe. While I drink my tea, I think about my life. I think about the days when I used to check my phone all the time. Every morning I would look at messages. Then I would look at videos. I did not stop. I did not rest. I did not enjoy the real world. But now I feel different. Now I feel free. After tea, I clean my room. I fold my clothes and set my bed. I open the curtains. Light enters the room and makes it bright. I feel happy. A clean room always makes the mind calm. I play no music. No screen is in front of me. I just listen to the soft sound of morning air. I decide to go for a small walk again. I put on my shoes. I open the door and step outside. The street is quiet today. I walk slowly. I feel the cool air on my face. I hear birds singing. I pass a little shop. The owner waves at me. I wave back. It feels nice to be present. A little girl is playing with her ball. The ball rolls near me. I pick it up and give it to her. She says thank you with a bright smile. I smile too. A small moment, but it feels warm inside my heart. I keep walking until I reach the park. I see an old man sitting on a bench. He's feeding birds. The birds jump around him. He looks peaceful. I sit on another bench. I breathe slowly. I watch the trees move with the wind. I watch the leaves fall to the ground. I do nothing. I just sit. And it feels right. After some time, I stand up and decide to move again. I go to a small shop in the corner of the park. The shop sells simple snacks. I buy a small biscuit packet. I open it and eat one biscuit. It tastes sweet and soft. I enjoy every bite. I'm not rushing. I'm not thinking about any notifications. I am just here. I walk back home. When I reach home, I feel a little tired. So I sit on the sofa and rest. I close my eyes. I listen to the quiet around me. My heart feels light. My mind feels calm. I think about how different life feels without holding a phone all day. I feel more alive. I feel more human. After some rest, I decide to cook lunch. I cut some vegetables. Carrots, potatoes, peas. I put them in a pot and cook a light vegetable curry. The smell fills the kitchen. It smells warm and homely. I cook some rice too. I sit and eat my lunch slowly. Each bite feels good. I do not watch anything while eating. I do not scroll. I just eat. It feels peaceful. Later, I take out my notebook again. Yesterday, I drew some things. Today, I want to write something. So I start writing simple thoughts. I write, my mind feels free. I write, the world is more beautiful when I look at it with open eyes. I write, today is another quiet day. Writing makes me relaxed. I enjoy it. I also read a few pages of a small book. The words feel alive. When I read slowly, I understand everything clearly. I enjoy the story. I feel like I am inside the book. I am not distracted. My mind is not jumping from one thing to another. I feel focused. In the afternoon, I water my plants. The plants look happy. The leaves look fresh. I touch the soil. It feels cool. Taking care of plants makes me feel peaceful. I talk to them softly. I say, "Grow well, little plants." The plants dance lightly in the wind, like they're listening. Time passes slowly, but in a soft way. I stand near the window again and watch people walk on the street. Some are talking, some are smiling, some are carrying bags. I think everyone is living their own story, and for the first time, I feel like I am also living my story instead of watching other people's stories on my phone. Evening comes again. I cook a simple dinner. I light a small candle to make the room cozy. I sit and eat while listening to the quiet sound of night. I feel thankful. I feel calm. I feel happy. At night, I look at my phone on the table, but I do not touch it yet. I sit for a moment and think about these 2 phone-free days. I feel proud of myself. I feel stronger. I pick up the phone slowly. I press the button. The screen lights up. Many notifications appear. But I do not rush. I do not feel stressed. I feel in control. I whisper softly. Today I lived. Today I breathed. Today I was free. And that is enough. I put the phone down again. I lie on my bed. I close my eyes. I smile. Today was a simple day. And sometimes a simple day is the most beautiful gift.